Hello, welcome to Drinks and Desserts with Tux. Today I'll be teaching you how to make watermelon popsicle. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. This is an easy summer recipe you would love. For this you need watermelon, sugar which is optional, and some lime juice. In this video I used 3 cups of watermelon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. The exact measurement in this video would produce 8 popsicles. So will you be giving this recipe a try? Let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to like the video, share, and comment. See you some other time with another sweet recipe.